Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a Google Sheets document in an open document format. So as you might know, you can not only download the Google Sheets in a CSV or Excel file format, but you can also download it in an open document format. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is open up the Google Sheets spreadsheet you want to download in ODS format. So in this example we're going to use this project management sheet, then click on File in the menu bar. If you do not see it, click on this arrow. Then from the drop down here you're gonna see download, click on that, and you have 6 options. So you can download it in Excel, PDF, web page, CSV, DSV, and open document, so .ods file format. Click on that. Then you have to select the folder you want to download this Google Sheets spreadsheet in an ODS format. So as you can see, download has started. And that's about it. So now this is how to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet in an open document or ODS file format. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.